In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a sprint in Jira so you can plan, organize, and track your team's work effectively. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the Scrum project you're working on. Keep in mind that the sprint feature is only available in Scrum projects, so make sure your project is set up that way. Once you're inside your project, navigate to the backlog view. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. The backlog is where all your tasks, also known as issues, are listed and ready to be planned for upcoming sprints. Now, look for the Create Sprint button and click on it. This will create a new sprint section in your backlog. If you already have an active sprint, you may need to complete it before creating a new one. Next, it's time to add tasks to your sprint. You can simply drag and drop issues from the backlog into your sprint. As you do this, focus on selecting tasks that your team can realistically complete within the sprint timeframe. Prioritizing the most important work will help your team stay focused and productive. Once your sprint is filled with tasks, click on the Start Sprint button. A setup window will appear where you'll need to enter a few important details. Start by giving your sprint a clear and descriptive name so your team knows its purpose. Then set the sprint duration. Most teams use sprints that last between 1 and 4 weeks, depending on their workflow. After that, choose the start date and end date. Make sure these dates are realistic and account for any holidays or time off. You'll also have the option to add a sprint goal. This is a short description of what your team aims to achieve during the sprint. Having a clear goal helps align everyone and keeps the team focused. Once everything is set, click Start to launch your sprint. And that's it. Your sprint is now active and your team can begin working on the tasks you've planned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical guides like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your sprint planning.